Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 2007 to 2021 Tundra. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Lift and support the vehicle. Clear any lines or brackets blocking the work area. Support the exhaust. Uninstall it from the hangers, then lower it out of the way. Uninstall and lower the drive shaft by unbolting the carrier bearing from the crossmember. Support the fuel tank skid plate and fuel tank. Unbolt the fuel tank straps and lower the tank. Step 3. Cut the heads off the factory rivets holding the crossmember. Remove the rivet studs, then remove the factory crossmember. Step 4. Grind the frame to bare metal where the crossmember contacted the frame rails. Spray these areas with rust protectant. Step 5. Before installation, paint the new crossmember with rust protectant. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Step 6. Slide the replacement forward fuel tank crossmember into position. Use the bolt holes for proper alignment. Install the crossmember using the included 30mm M10 hex bolts, 35mm M10 hex bolts, and M10 nylon insert lock nuts. The M10 bolts use a 14mm socket. The M10 nuts use a 15mm wrench. Install and partially tighten all hardware. Do not fully tighten until all hardware is in place and alignment is confirmed. Reinstall the fuel tank and fuel tank skid plate, the drive shaft and carrier bearing, the exhaust, and any lines or brackets removed during preparation.